Hello everyone. Welcome to Bob's Carving Hobby. I know the name is simple, but it is a carving channel, and my name is Bob. This is my first carving video, and I'm excited to share it with you. To save you from the boredom and time it takes to sculpt a figure, I'm carving in hyperlapse. I found a piece of wood that caught my eye, and I'm ready to get started. First, I did a rough sketch on the side and top of the wood to get an idea where the dog will be. I secured the wood in a vise, picked a chisel, and started chipping away. Since this is my first video, I might make some mistakes in taping and editing. If you spot anything I can improve, please let me know in the comments. Your insights will help me improve my skills and make the carving experience better for all of us. So don't be shy. I'm using a chisel to start shaping the dog. While using a bandsaw or scroll saw could save time, I prefer using chisels to remove the wood layer by layer, like peeling an onion. Each strike with the mallet makes a permanent change to the piece. Don't be afraid to let the wood chips fly, but be careful not to remove material that should stay. Corrections can be made, but a little thought and care can avoid issues and alter the final product. Take your time to study and mark the wood you want to remove. Rotate the wood, taking a uniform layer from all sides of the carving. Repeat this process, and before long, the subject will start taking form. Study what you've done between layers to maintain balance and symmetry. I mark places where I see the wood needs to be removed and repeat the process. Removing less wood each time as the figure becomes more defined. Once the carving resembles what I'm looking to create, I focus more on detail, shaping the ears, legs, head, body, and tail. Using a rotary tool with burrs and sanding drums is a great way to smooth out the work and help shape the form before moving to more intricate details, like peeling an onion layer by layer until the carving is just as you imagined. It's a great feeling to see a block of waste wood destined for the fire pit or landfill become a work of art that will last for generations. However, we aren't finished yet. Now it's time to give the dog a face, detailing the ears, eyes, nose, and mouth. Carefully mark the eyes and other facial areas with a pencil. It's much easier to see and do on a piece you have sanded fairly smooth. Once satisfied with the details, carefully start carving out the face. Don't rush. A mistake at this point could change the outcome you've worked for. Take small bits away, constantly checking for balance on both sides of the face. Sandpaper will become your primary tool at this point. It's great for shaping the finer details in the face and mouth, as well as the rest of the carving. I start with 80 grit sandpaper to smooth the rough edges of the chisel marks. You will see spots where you can adjust your details to make your carving pop with reality. From 80 grit, I move to 100, 120, 180, 220, 320, 400, and finally 600 grit sandpaper to give the whole carving a very fine surface. Before applying a finish, I use a wood burning tool on the eyes, nose, and mouth to make them stand out. We are almost there. A final sanding to clean up any marks, and it's ready for a finish. There you have it. Once a block of wood is now a finished carving of a dog you can be proud of creating with a mallet and chisel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you have any advice or tips to make these videos better, I really appreciate the help. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.